Hi, thanks for joining us once again here at Collector's Corner, and my name is Andrew, and we are going to be doing an unboxing for the brand new comic books for the 27th of January. But there's one thing that I wanted to talk about. Some of you have noticed my gloves before, and one of the reasons why we do it is just for safety and handling books in a really weird virus time. But then also, I want to show you guys something that I noticed with my white gloves. I've noticed that in getting comic books, we've actually got a decent amount of residue off the comics by just even handling them to get them ready for pull lists or for our shelves. And so I wanted to kind of show you exactly what is happening with comic books when you don't even know it. So, as you can see here, my gloves are all clean and white. And we'll take a look at what they're going to be like after this is done. All right, we'll be back in just a sec. All right, and that was our unboxing. And here are our gloves. I don't know how much you can tell after just one use. This is kind of the clean sides of our gloves, right? And this is what the dirty side looks like. It's kind of hard to tell after one, but it definitely has black markings. Now this is from the ink residue or dust in traveling or packaging. It's really hard to say exactly what it is, but this just kind of goes to show you that maybe your paper product isn't quite as clean as you think, and in addition to that, how books can be damaged over time if you're not careful with them. So this is 1 week's worth of unboxing comic books. These gloves were the ones we've been using for the past 4 weeks, so the past month. So after 1 month, this is what it looks like even with being washed every week. It just stains the gloves, and so that's quite a bit difference. So there you go, something to think about. Take away what you want from this. But thanks again for watching our unboxing. We're going to kind of edit this and hopefully it'll be sped up in the middle. If you want any of these books, they are on our online purchasing platform. We'll have our links down below. We're trying to do a lot more videos and blogs, so be sure you hit subscribe, hit the notify button so you'll know when all of our new stuff comes out, as well as when we go live, which we're going to try and do regularly. And thanks so much for joining us here at Collector's Corner. My name again is Andrew. Thanks so much to my son Hero for helping man the camera this afternoon, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.